Viewers, the latest news about Amhara and Tigray region is that today a statement is given by Ethiopia's Amhara state that all young people to take up arms against Tigrayan fighters who were battling the federal government military and forces from all of Ethiopia's other 9 regions. Yes, they call for mass mobilization against Tigray Defense Force fighters who Amhara's military said were now attacking the state, expands the 8-month-old war and instability in the Horn of Africa country. Well, I call on all young people, militia, non-militia in the region, armed with any government weapon, armed with personal weapons, to join the anti-Tigray Defense Force war mission from tomorrow. Agignihu, president of Amhara regional government, was quoted as saying by the region's state media. But so far, no statement is made by Tigray government and Tigray Defense Force about this statement. Well, so far, the Tigray Defense Force has defeated the Amhara forces and its allies on several fronts. And now, the situation of Ethiopian National Defense Force and Amhara forces is not better. While the Tigray Defense Force is gaining control of several places in the Amhara region, and it is now moving towards other key places in Amhara. And to stop the Tigray Defense Force, the Amhara government has called on all the citizens of Amhara and Ethiopia to come out against the Tigray Defense Force for tomorrow. And as stated in a statement by the Tigray Defense Force Journal, the balance of forces is now completely in our favor. We are in a position to march into Addis Ababa with no real opposition. And engagement on the road from Churcher town to Mile inside of our region was successful, and said that Tigray Defense Forces will now move swiftly to control the Addis Ababa Djibouti main road and will be in a position to accept direct humanitarian assistance to Tigray. So, we were so far is the latest update. For more latest update, please subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.